Hey, this is Michael with Explorers R Us. On a long haul expedition, your gear needs to be clean. If you try to cover up a salt cake jersey, which I've had, with a spray on forest scent, you aren't just fooling the terrain. You've just created a biohazard collision. Today, we're auditing the sacred fool maneuver of the office, trying to fix a lack of bathing with extra perfume. And I've known people like this. It's a tactical error that turns a personal hygiene issue into a department wide air quality crisis. In a shared workspace, the air is part of the office plumbing. When a teammate uses heavy fragrances to mask a scent leak, they are creating an invisible obstruction. Many of your high performers, the ones you need focused on for the climb, have scent sensitivities or get migraines from this. By using a perfume shield, the coworker has effectively deployed a smoke screen. They think they're being subtle. In reality, they've just made the elevation unbreathable for the rest of the teammates. In a corporate wilderness, we don't do breadcrumb panic comments. If you say, wow, someone wearing a lot of Chanel today, you haven't solved the leak. You've just added noise to the problem. You need to address the mask, not just the scent. Something like, hey, I want to pull you aside for a quick trail check on our workspace environment. The fragrance you're using is extremely heavy. In an enclosed office, it's becoming a physical distraction and a health concern for the group. Now, if you have rapport with this person, you can be a little more clinical. Heavier scents doesn't replace the trail standard of hygiene. It actually draws more attention to the issue. You need to get back to a neutral baseline so we can focus on our work. Now, if you're the manager, you're the lead guide. You have to enforce a neutral zone. But not many managers can actually do this. So that's why I'm putting this video together. You don't wait for a teammate to have an allergic reaction before you act. It's just a leadership failure. If you can smell the overcorrection from 3 desks away, the standard has been breached. The professional move is to establish a scent neutral policy in this office. It's not about the fashion police, it's about maintaining the workspace hardware so the expedition can move forward without a headache. Don't be the manager who thinks at least they're trying because they smell like a department store. Masking a structural problem is a tactical error, managers. Integrity is about solving the core leak, whether it's a mechanical issue on your bike or a soap and water issue in the locker room. You can't spray paint over a lack of discipline. So on the trail, the goal is not to smell like a bouquet. The goal is to be scent neutral. If your presence is loud because you before you even open your mouth, you've lost the lead on your professional narrative. Clean the air, solve the core leak, and your professional gear is clean. This is Michael with Explorers R Us. Stay observant, keep your cadence high, and I'll see you at the summit, or in this case, back behind me. Have a great day.